"They're heartless," she muttered. "Here I am worrying about them, and there they are having fun." She thought of the rides they had got on, the hours of body surfing, the handsome boys she didn't get to see, the restaurants, and the museum. Her eyes filled with tears. For the first time in years she hugged a doll, the one her grandmother Lupe had stitched together from rags to old clothes. "Something's wrong, something's wrong with me," she cried softly. She turned on her radio and heard about a single-engine plane that had crashed into Cupertino, a city not far from San Jose. She thought of the plane and the people inside, and how the pilot's family would suffer. She hugged her doll. Something was happening to her, and it might be that she was growing up. When the news ended, a song started playing, and she got up and washed her face without looking in the mirror. That night the family went out for Chinese food. Although her brothers fooled around, cracked jokes, and spilled soda, she was happy. She ate a lot, and when her fortune cookie said, "You are mature and sensible," she had to agree. And her father and mother did too. The family drove home, singing the words to La Bamba along with the car radio.